Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So I will be sharing with you guys my DIY at-home pedicure routine. I love to do my pedicure so that my feet can look pretty and they can be very soft. So the first thing I do is start off by removing that old nail polish that I had on my toes for the past 2 to 3 weeks. And I just use regular nail polish remover, apply it to a cotton pad and remove it carefully. So make sure you guys give this video a rating, leave some comments down below, and subscribe for weekly videos. After removing that nail polish, I just take some cuticle softener and apply it to my nails. So this will help to soften up that cuticle so that I can easily remove all of that dead skin and cuticle from around my nails after soaking it. So I just take a tub of warm water and then I add some bath salts to that water, and also I add a few drops of jojoba oil. So this solution helps to soften my feet. It helps to relax my feet as well. So I usually soak my feet for about 10 to 15 minutes just to allow my heels and my skin to soften up before I scrub it. After soaking my feet for 15 minutes, my feet is nice and soft. So I just take a little bit of that charcoal scrub and I just scrub the bottom of my feet in a circular motion. So this helps to soften up my heels. It gives my feet that nice smooth appearance and it also gives it a nice glow. This scrub also helps to moisturize my feet as well. And it also helps to get rid of all of that dead skin that was building up for the past 2 weeks. So now I am taking a pumice rock and I just scrub my feet in a circular motion. So the scrub is a little bit hard to get off of my skin. So I find that the pumice rock actually helps to remove that scrub while also removing dead skin from my heels and softening my feet in the process as well. So if you have dry, thick, really cracked skin, I definitely recommend to get a pumice rock. It will definitely help to soften up your feet when you use it on a regular basis. And my feet looks nice and soft and it feels really soft. I love a great soak. So now it's time to remove that dead skin from around my nails. So I'm just cleaning out that dead skin and the cuticles with a wooden disposable stick right here. So what I do is just go around that nail and then go under that nail, get rid of all of that dead skin. As you can see, the dead skin is just falling away. And I do this after I soak my feet because now my nails are nice and soft and that skin just falls away really easily after a nice soak. So after cleaning out that cuticle, now it's time to clip my nails and get it to a decent length. So I do not like my nails to be clipped super short. It just really grinds my teeth. I don't know if you guys get that feeling, but I don't know what causes that, but my teeth just gets really grindy. It's like chalks on a chalkboard if I clip my nails too short. So I'm just taking away a little bit of that nail because I like a nice length to my nail. And my nails are nice and soft after soaking it, so it's actually very easier to clip your nails after a soak. And then I follow up by shaping my nails with a file. So that is what I am basically doing. I like to go for a square file. And I do not file away too much. As I said, I like to leave a nice length to my nails. I did dip my nails back in that water just to get rid of the residue from cleaning out the cuticle and also filing my nails. So now it's time to moisturize my feet, get it nice and soft and lock in all of that moisture. So I'm just using some shea butter and avocado butter because it's very thick and it helps to alleviate a lot of dryness. My heels get very dry easily, so I have to use something really thick like a heavy butter after moisturizing. So now it is my favorite and final part of my pedicure. I am polishing my nails. So I stopped using a base coat because it was messing up my nails. I think the brand I was using was really causing my nails to become really dry and brittle and damaged. So now I'm just back to using a polish since it was working fine for me. So I'm using the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear in the color Giant Peach. I love this color. So I will be giving you a quick rundown of how I paint my nails. So what I do is take a thin layer of polish on that brush, and then I start in the center, and then I go on the side, and then I go on the opposite side. Center, side, and then the other side. So I just repeat that. Make sure that your layers are thin. And I actually did 3 layers. So I usually paint my nails and then I let it dry for about 15 minutes until that nail polish becomes tacky but not completely dry, and then I apply another layer. So this is after my 3rd layer. This nail polish is very sheer, so that is why I have to do 3 layers of it. If the nail polish isn't as sheer, then you only probably have to do 1 or 2 layers. So after polishing my nails, now is when I apply the top coat. So this top coat helps to give it an extra boost of shine, and it also helps the nail polish to last longer. So this is the end of my pedicure routine. This is how the nail polish looks in natural lighting. It's a very light, pretty pink, which I love so much. This is my favorite color to wear on my toes. Thank you all so much for watching my pedicure video. I hope that you learned a lot. Leave me a rating down below and some comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.